The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be the most exciting model in the S25 series, and it's all thanks to some bold design choices that make it stand out. Samsung only gave us a quick teaser during its Unpacked event earlier this year, but with the official launch just a few months away, the hype is real. Now, if you've been following Samsung's lineup, you probably noticed something interesting. The S25 series just got a fourth model. But this isn't just any extra edition. The S25 Edge is different, and not in the way you'd expect. Despite the name, it doesn't actually have a curved display like the old Edge models. Instead, it's all about thinness, insanely thin. We're talking 6mm, which is almost unheard of for a flagship phone in 2025. While Samsung is keeping quiet on the exact release date, leaks are pointing to an April or May launch. Well-known insider Max Jambor recently doubled down on that time frame, suggesting a Q2 release. It's not exactly groundbreaking news, but it does confirm that Samsung is playing its cards close to the chest with this one. Of course, going this thin comes with some trade-offs. The battery is reportedly just 3900 mAh, which is smaller than what we're used to seeing in premium flagships. Charging speeds are capped at 25 watts, and Samsung has apparently ditched the third rear camera. But despite these compromises, the phone is still expected to be a powerhouse, likely running on the Snapdragon 8 Elite, with Samsung hopefully opting for the 7-core variant to keep things efficient and cool. So why is Samsung suddenly so obsessed with making its phones razor thin? Some speculate it's a response to Apple's rumored iPhone 17 Air, while others think it could be a stepping stone toward more advanced foldables. Whatever the reason, it's definitely a bold move. Now the big question. Is the Galaxy S25 Edge a game changer or just a sleek experiment? Let's hear your thoughts. And as always, stay tuned for more updates. This is going to be an interesting one.